Hello children, today we will start chapter 2 Fun with Numbers, page number 17 in your textbook. Here top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup is given. Name of player and his score is given in the chart. Look at the chart carefully. Now try to answer the following questions and blanks. CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? In the last session, I told you about century in cricket. In cricket, if a batsman or a batswoman scores 100 or more runs in a single innings, then it is called they have completed their century. Here, CK has completed 99 runs. So he missed his century by 1 run. You have to subtract 100 minus 99. So your answer is 1 run. CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? 1 run. Dash and Dash scored almost equal runs. Now look at the scorecard again. AS scored 100 runs. CK scored 99 runs. So there is only 1 run difference between AS and CK. So we can say that they have scored almost equal runs. APJ scored 128 runs. VVS scored 127 runs. So we can also say that APJ and VVS have also scored almost equal runs. They are not equal, but they are almost equal. So you can choose any of these options. I am choosing AS and CK. AS and CK scored almost equal runs. You can also write APJ and VVS. Dash scored a complete century. No less, no more. Now find out from the scorecard who has scored a complete century. Means 100 runs. No less, no more. Correct. AS scored a complete century. Now let's move further. Dash and Dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. Now if you remember second blank, correct. Here also you have 2 options. AS and CK. AS has scored 100, CK scored 99, so there is 1 run difference between them. APJ scored 128 and VVS scored 127. So there is also 1 run difference between them. So you can choose any of these. This time I am choosing APJ and VVS have a difference of just 1 run between them. Most runs scored by any batsman are. Now look at the scorecard. So most runs scored by any batsman are 178 scored by MD. Dash scored 2 more runs more than 1.5 century. Century is 100 run, so we can call half century half of the 100. So it is 50. 100, that is century, plus half century. 50. 100 plus 50, and 2 more runs, that is 150 plus 2, that is 152 runs. Correct, your answer is correct. KSP scored 2 more than 1.5 century. Now page number 18. Counting in tens. You have, in this exercise, you have to repeatedly add 10 in the given number. See here, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 10, 90, 90 plus 10, 100, 100 plus 10, 110, 110 plus 10, 120, 120 plus 10, 130, and so on. In the same way, 310 plus 10, 320, plus 10, 330, plus 10, 340, and so on. In the same way, 710 plus 10, 720, plus 10, 730, plus 10, 740, and so on. It's very easy. Then on the same page, next exercise is there, counting in 50. Here you have to add 50 each time. 200 plus 50, 250, 250 plus 50, 300, 300 plus 50, 350, 350 plus 50, 400, 400 plus 50, 450, 450 plus 50, 500, 500 plus 50, 550, 550 plus 50, 600, 600 plus 50, 650, 650 plus 50, 700, 700 plus 50, 750, 750 plus 50, 800, 800 plus 50, 850. Now page number 19 is coloring exercise. Before that coloring exercise, let us solve these two questions. How far can you go like this? So children, I tell you that there is no end to this number, so we can go on and on. So answer for this is, we can go on and on. What is the biggest number you can call out? There is no biggest number, and hence we can't call that number. So children, after that, page number 19 is a coloring exercise in which simple 3-digit sums are there that you are supposed to do by your own. Let us move on to page number 20 and 21. Here, 3 animals, Gabru, Bunny, and Taru the frog are given. Gabru jumps on every 7th box. Bunny jumps on every 5th box. Taru jumps on every 4th box. These animals are known for their jumpings. Gabru starts from 90 and it jumps on every 7th box. So its first jump it will be in 97. In its second jump it will reach 104. In its third jump it will reach 111, and so on. Every time it jumps, 7 will be added to the number. Bunny the rabbit starts jumping from 99. It jumps every 5th box. So 99 plus 5. In its first jump, it will reach 104. In second jump, 104 plus 5, 109. In its third jump, 109 plus 5, 140, and so on. Taru the frog starts jumping from 106. Taru jumps on every 4th box. So 106 plus 4, 110. So in its first jump, Taru will reach 110. In its second jump, it will reach 110 plus 4, 114. In its third jump, it will reach 118, and so on. Now answer the blanks given below. Bunny's 10th jump is on number. Bunny's 10th jump is on number 149. Taru's 10th jump is on number. Taru's 10th jump is on number 146. Gabru's 10th jump is on number. Gabru's 10th jump is on number 160. Gabru and Bunny both jump on number 104 dash and dash. Look at the numbers on which they jump. Gabru jumps on 97, 104, 111, 118, 125, 132, 139, 146, 153, 160, 167, 174, and on. Bunny the rabbit jumps on 104, 109, 114, 119, 124, 129, and so on. So the common squares between them are Gabru's 7th jump is on 139 and Bunny the rabbit's 8th jump is on 139. So 139 and Gabru's 12th jump is on 174 and Bunny's 15th jump is also on 174. So 139 and 174. Gabru and Bunny both jump on numbers 104, 139 and 174. Taru and Bunny jump on numbers. Now look at the picture and find out on which numbers Taru and Bunny jumps. Taru and Bunny jumps on number 114, 134, 154 and 174. Is there any square where all three of them jump? Yes, 174. Guess who will finish in the least jumps? Gabru will finish in the least jump because it jumps 7 boxes at a time. In how many jumps Gabru will finish? Gabru will finish it in 12 jumps. Now it's test time. These tests are supposed to be completed by you. It is also given on page number 22 of your textbook. Please complete it, take a pic and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you for your patience.